That tickles. You're the best bear ever.
Group hug.
Best friends forever.
Lily, look at Boo's nose. Shh, it's wiggling.
Did he sneeze?
Not yet.
Should we do something?
Everyone shush, here it comes again.
Nope.
Jake.
Hold on to something.
It's raining leaves. Jake, watch my tower.
It's gonna fall, Lily.
Boo, you okay?